Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video I want to share with you how to make dynamic end screen for your YouTube videos. It might engage people who watching your video to click onto the next video to watch and also subscribe to your channel. So there is nothing really special in a way how you do that, and in my case I use two applications. One of them is Canva, which is really good designer tool. And also I have LumaFusion, that's the app where I'm editing my videos. And first let's start from a template, right? From the skeleton of your end screen for YouTube video, and then I'll show you how to make it more dynamic. So I'm going here to Canva and I click on to create new design, and I choose YouTube thumbnail. And then on the left in the search box, I'm gonna search for YouTube end screen. And immediately I have few options at my disposal, right? I'm not gonna create right now something really comprehensive or something super unique. First of all, you just need to start with something, right? You need to start from somewhere, and then as you go in the future you can always improve your end screen, but my strategy always to go as simple as possible, because you just want to save your time. So first template looks like this, right? It shows title which says how to start a business, and then it says subscribe or pick a new business name or start here. So it has already some predefined options here. What I'm gonna do, first of all, I will remove background. So I want to make it white background, and I will explain why a little bit later. Also, I want to remove right now those elements which I definitely don't need, and all of those circles I don't need them in my video, because we're gonna make dynamic background, remember, right? So we need to remove as many static elements as possible. So all of those circles should be removed. And then I'm going here to remove join our community box, because I don't have any community, so I don't really need this box. What we still have, we have title, main title, which I'm going to adjust to a little bit different one. So instead of how to start a business, because it's super niche topic, I would change it for watch next, right? Watch next. So basically this is a key message to people to watch something else from my channel. Just adjust it a little bit here. So it says watch next. Down here you can see subscribe area, and then we have two options for placing our videos. Right here I'm gonna choose related playlist, and something like next video. You have two spots. One is for next video which you're offering to watch after current video which is being watched by person, and also you can offer to watch entire playlist if topic which you're discussing has multiple videos on your channel. So what I'm gonna do next, I need to export this picture, and what I do, I click on save as, choose PNG, choose better resolution, choose transparent background, and download. And now I'm going to LumaFusion. So here in LumaFusion, say I have video of the car as an example. So let's say we did car review video, right? And in the end of this video, I want to make end screen. So I go to photos, choose image which we just exported, and I would keep it for, let's say, 5 seconds. So yeah, I'm extending it to 5 seconds. And remember, we made this image with transparent background, which is really important. So what I'm doing next, I just find any video which I have in my library. It can be a personal video. If you use some stock footage, you can also choose something from stock videos. It doesn't really matter. So I can even use the same video which I have here with a car. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm clicking on pencil. I'm going here to the color and effects tab, and I choose blur effect, right? So I just choose blur effect, let's say this one, and go back to my video. So basically what's happening, video ends, and this is my end screen, which you can see also dynamic. And then when you export this video and you upload this video to YouTube, you will be able to add subscribe button. So you have already a section where you can place it. You can place related playlists there, and you can also add related video. That's how it works. So guys, let me know if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Also like this video and subscribe to see more tutorials on this topic. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.